Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the case study in the chapter Public Private Global Enterprises. The first case study: once upon a time a round of election to be a five legislative assembly of the country was in progress. The different political parties were putting in the best of their effect to entice the people through their respective promise to them. The political parties contesting election in these states were mainly three in numbers. Though all the parties made several promises in the respective manifesto, yet each of the three parties made one such promise to compel the people to give the thought to it. One of the political parties made a promise that if they come to power, they would set up government enterprises in the state as well as the partnership of both the people of the government. However, these enterprises ownership of government shall not be less than 51%. The setting up of the government enterprises was done as per the provision of the Indian Company Act 2013. The financing of these enterprises would be done jointly by both the people and the government. The second political parties promised that if they come to power, they would set up the such government enterprises and would be completely under the ownership of the government. The burden of the financing them would not be put on the shoulder of the people, but they would be managed with the general budget. The third political parties which are considered election for the first time promised that on coming into the power they would set up the such government enterprises as the fully financed by the government. However, there would be no bar to get loan from the people set up them. They could set up as per the special act by the parliament state legislative assembly. On the basis of above paragraph, explain what type of the government enterprises to be set for being promised by the three political parties. The answer is the first political parties is government company, second political party departmental undertaking, third political party is public cooperation. Now second case study: the population of the city is 50,000. There were no health and education institution here. When new political party came into power, it established the government hospital and government women college to fulfill the strong demand of the peoples. As the heavy rest on the patients began to come from the treatment to the government hospital, since the people to look great interest in the women college, they got their uh, ward admit in it. At the time of two friend Asima Anoop decided to be a jointly medical store near the hospital. Asima had completed her B Pharma course and Anoop his BA honors study. Both them set up the big retail medical stores named as Free Fair Deal Medical Store. Both them succeed greater in their business. On finding them on achieving a great success in the business, the other people's they start same business, but Fair Deal Market Store always first in people's two other friends Swati Mittal and Sakshi they jointly set up book store near the college. It name was Your Book Shop. Their business too was fully succeed. Asima, Anup, Swati, Sakshi are of the four of them had the advantage of the first mover, to which business field related in the institution talk about in the above paragraph. Explain if the need good critical comment also. The answer is private sector first Fair Deal Medical Store and Your Book Shop, and next public store is none. The critical comment is that the government hospital and government college is no doubt are government institute, but they are not government enterprises because the objective is not a business, hence they do not come under the public sector. One question is: these days several enterprises are being set up through the joint venture. Point out any three of the influence such enterprises on the business world. The following are the main influence of enterprises on the business world: is decrease in business risk, progress in the later technology, decrease in the investment.